Hello again, YouTube fans. This is Cullen. I'm currently in downtown Alexandria, Louisiana. Just wanted to come down here to do a video of what the downtown area looked like. Of course, this is all new for me. Like I said in earlier videos, if you've been following, I'm just cruising through kind of like memory lane back here in Louisiana, looking at how things have changed since the last time I left home, which was very, very long ago. And I'm just gonna walk around a little bit up to I wanna go to this riverfront where they built an amphitheater at. And I think right now behind me here is the courthouse. Of course, way back when, I don't know what the courthouse looked like or where it was, because I was only a young kid. So I'm gonna walk over here across the street in a little ways just to see how things look. So I'm gonna change the view, flip it around so everybody can see what I see. So hang on a sec. So there we go. We'll do a little quick 360. Here's a big building. I ain't sure what it is. And that almost looks like a hotel. And this across the street, maybe it's a bus station. I'm not sure. So we're gonna take a little walk. I see the Alexandria Museum right there, the beige building. I think I might switch and put in my earphones. I'm sure it's a little windy. Probably get a lot of woo 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 woo. So I'm down here with my brother also. He went to a hat shop, wants to get some type of little beanie. So I'm gonna just do a cruise. I don't know if I can fly a drone around here, but we may try it out. So now I got the earphones in, so I'm not sure what that is down there. And I'm gonna go up here on it's like a levee, to see what this is up here. And a lot of one-way streets here. And of course in Louisiana we have, like, this is Rapides Parish. We have lots of parishes. So I guess it's okay to jaywalk. I didn't really do it because the police were down there, but everybody else does it. And the light is green. So with that, we're gonna walk across the river. So I'm gonna walk up here a little bit and see what's really up here. So for me, this is all brand new. It was not here as a child. They kind of did a lot of construction work to make it like a park. Well, it is a park. So we're gonna go up here and take a little look. So I'm gonna try to block some of the wind so I don't get all that noise. Might have to take the earphones out. So it still looks like some construction work is going on. Let's take a look back at downtown. That's how it looks. I like this, very nice. picnic areas down there. And This is the Red River that flows through Alexandria. Over there is Pineville. I did a video with the drone and flew it over here. And this is the amphitheater they have. So it seems like they're still building things. It's very, very nice. When I was a child, this along the river, nothing but trees on both sides. It was like a jungle. Get down to the fish, you had to be way down there. Like snakes and alligators. I've never seen one in the Red River yet. But yeah. Well, let's go over by the amphitheater. Take a little walk. We'll get over there. So a little pause for the cause. All right, here we are. This is the amphitheater. We'll walk down to the bottom. Here's a view of it. And why not? Let's see if we can sneak in a little aerial video. So now I'm about to wrap this up. Hope the drone footage comes out all right. Now I'm going to find my brother, see what he got. He bought a new hat. Nice, short and sweet. Going to take off. Oh shit. Excuse my language. What? Yep, I got it. But I lost my keys. prices. Whoa, about to fall down. Almost got that on video. So, time to go. See where he's at. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and as always, like, share, and subscribe. Till the next time, bye-bye.